So here are these figurines around this beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kushal GT and today we are gonna unbox this. This is Kaido House MiniGT diecast metal figurine of Kaido and Sons. And here you can see Kaido and their kids. On the side of the box we have designed in Los Angeles by Jun Imai, Kaido House LLC, and we can see the Kaido House logo. Other side it says 100% Kaido House, Instagram handle Kaido House at Kaido House Garage, and it says kaidohouse.com, the site. Here we have the Kaido House MiniGT badging with the scale 1:64. Other side we have Kaido House car culture for all scales. What else do we have? Back we can see that warning of choking hazard, the QR code, the TSM hologram that looks very nice and trippy, ages 14 plus and blah blah. So without any further ado, let's open it up. No one has yet. So here we also get the stickers that you can stick at the base so that they don't fall and they can stand easily. So it comes in a blister pack. So I have to remove this. And here we have these beautiful figures. Oops, I dropped them. Okay, so first up is this guy. So Mr. Kaido looking at the car, touching it, and looks really a cool dad with that white t-shirt, black shorts and white shoes. At the back we can see that this says 0 on the back of his shirt. Nice. Here we have Kaido again with the nice purple shirt which matches with the color of the box, and it has a small, very small Kaido House logo. Looks very nice, stunning in black shorts, white shoes, and 0 again. Next up we have the son number 1, who is wearing a grey cap, an oversized red t-shirt, black shorts and grey shoes, and his hands look like he's washing his hands, but it's not like that. And it says 0 on the back of his shirt as well. Last one is this guy. He's wearing a black cap, black t-shirt, grey shorts and grey shoes, both of them wearing oversized shirt. Yeah, they look very nice. And this one has the 0 again on the back. So I'll have to stick this sticker below their feet, so let's do that now. I don't know how will it go over here. Let's see. I have to take off my gloves for this one. It does provide a firm base. I think one for a leg is enough. Try to grab the center, not the sides. Here I think I'll have to go with 1. Let's see if I can stand on 1. Yeah, he can make it. Okay, let's try for this one. So the one son with the legs apart, okay, he's not standing up straight. Let me know in the comments if this is how it is supposed to be used. Okay, for this one I won't. For the last one I will not try to use anything. So now let me show it to you in a display around the car. Okay, till then try to guess the car. So here are these figurines around this beautiful LB Super Silhouette ER34. I have to say that they look very nice. So if you are really into the diecast and if you want a good set of figurines, I think this is where you can start. You can find these at Toy March around for 1700, I don't know, I forgot that. So you can see that, but they look really amazing. So all in all, they do make a better experience if you're into this diecast community, and if you're collecting premium brands, they add that a little sense of realism and depth that is really required in these scenarios. They are obviously metal and high quality, so that's the premium that you're paying, and they feel really good in hand. The way you can see them, it is that you are getting a good set of figurines, and they just bring that enhancement in your diorama or in your collection. Yeah, even if you're clicking pictures for your Instagram, or you want to showcase your beautiful cars to your friends and fellow collectors, I think this is a fair investment. I hope this was informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and a sub to the channel will mean a lot. We are close to 1000, so do hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more such amazing unboxings. Until then, do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, stay driven, and I'll see you guys in the next one.